welcome back to my channel. My name is Rameshi Singla. I am a professional trainer. I provide trainings in front-end development technologies, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, CSS, React, and Redux. And besides that, I help students with the mentoring and guiding as well, and the interview preparation as well. So in today's video, we are going to see the most awaited topic, that is what is front-end development. So I again get a lot of messages on Instagram regarding what is the difference between front-end, back-end. So I just thought, let me just make a video for that. Today we are going to see what is front-end development and what is actually involved in it, what technologies that comes under this. So we're going to study all of them from basic to advanced. And talking about backend, definitely I'm going to create a separate video for that. So today's video is for everyone who is aspiring front-end developer or who is into BTech, computer science, or maybe in any other stream as well. So this video is for everyone who is aspiring front-end developer or is thinking about creating a career in front-end development, or anyone who is from engineering background, BSc background, or anyone who is from computer science background. This video is for them. So let's get to the video. So we will start with front-end development. So front-end development has three magic trio, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, where you have HTML, CSS and JavaScript as the building blocks of getting started with front-end development of your website. So we'll see all of them one by one. But before that, let's understand what is front-end development, or we call it front-end web development, or we can also call it as client-side development. So if you don't know what is client-side and server-side, I've created a dedicated video for that. So you will get that at the top right I button, or I'll drop that in the description of this video as well. So it is a practice of producing HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a website. So basically, front-end part is the place where your user actually interact with the UI. For example, if I want to order something, if I want to create an account on Facebook, so I'm interacting with the UI. That is, whatever you see in the browser is the front-end part in a website basically. This is what front-end developers do. We create the front-end part, the UI part of a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. These are the basic technologies that you have when it comes to front-end development. Definitely nowadays we have advanced UI technologies as well. So we'll focus more on HTML, CSS and JavaScript for now. So HTML, CSS and JavaScript are the basic technologies that you should be very much aware of if you want to be a front-end developer or you want to make your career in front-end. So these are the basic, as I said, basic technologies for starting with web application or a website, so that user can interact and see them directly. As I said, whatever a user see in the UI in the web browser is basically created by these languages only. So front-end development manages everything that user visually see in their browser or application. So it is a responsibility of a web front-end developer how their website is looking, how attractive their website is. So HTML is all about defining the structure of the website, that is your web pages, or you can also think it like a skeleton for your website. And then CSS actually add the feel, look, attractiveness to your website. For example, you have Microsoft Documents, PPTs, where you add the data. Let's say you added some content inside your Microsoft text document, and then you are adding styling to it. You are adding heading, you are adding colors, you are adding images to it. That is what CSS helps us in. And then JavaScript is all about interactivity and the dynamic nature to your website. For example, if I have to relate it with the real time, you can consider it like you have a human in front of you, that is you know where his or her eyes is placed, where hair is placed, where is the face, where are the arms, where is the body structure, and how the body is. Now CSS, you can consider it like is like a personality of that person, how that person dressed, how that person looks, it's like a, and how the look and feel of the person is. And next is if that person is moving, walking, eating, is what JavaScript is like for a website. So you can consider it like a human in front of you, and then you have a website. The working is for both are same, that you are structured in a way, that humans are structured in a way, and then website you structure it with HTML. Here you have makeup, the way you dress, the way you groom yourself, the way you handle yourself is basically going to be your CSS part. That is what CSS do to your website. And then you have your eating, your walking, your talking, your speaking. That is what a human is doing, and that is exactly what JavaScript add to our website. So this is how you can relate with the real time for the HTML, CSS and JavaScript for a website. So front-end development manages everything that a user visually see first in the browser.
As I said, the very first thing that users see in the website is the UI part, how that website is looking. So definitely it's the responsibility of front-end developers that they should be responsible of the look and feel of the website, ultimately the design of the website, where you are positioning what data on the UI. It's all these all are the responsibilities of a front-end developer. So if you want to make your career in front-end development, you want to get your career started as a front-end developer, so HTML, CSS and JavaScript, these are the basic tech stack that you should be very much aware of, that you should really need to have a good knowledge of. And then definitely you can move on to the advanced UI technologies as well. But these are the basic technologies. HTML is the language from where this era of front-end development started, and still it is. So this is about the front-end development. If you have any questions, feel free to drop that in the comment section below. If you have questions related to any other UI technologies, feel free to drop that in the comment section below. I will try to cover those topics in the coming videos.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.